Hi, I'm Frankie. I want to make music with Linux, and here's my quick tutorial number 1. I call this one Instant Space, and it goes like this. I found a free VST plugin by FullBucket Music called PECS or PECS, which stands for Poly Ensemble CS, that emulates the sound of a Korg PE2000 synthesizer that was initially released in 1976 and has been used by artists like Herbie Hancock and Jean-Michel Jarre thereafter. Thanks to the yabridge plugin and Wine, it is pretty easily possible to install this VST plugin in your Linux-based operating system and make it accessible from your favorite Digital Audio Workstation or plugin host. After downloading the plugin, you just extract the zip archive and copy the actual binaries, in my case that's pecs64.dll and pecs.vst3, into your home directory under .wine/drive_c into a path of your choice. Please keep VST and VST3 plugins in separate directories. Then you install yabridge and configure and run its yabridge_ctl command to first tell it about your VST and VST3 plugin paths. And then run yabridge_ctl again with the sync command to let it create the necessary symlink infrastructure in your native .vst and .vst3 plugin directories like so. If this was a bit too fast, please head over to the yabridge homepage where its author, Robert van der Helm, has provided extensive usage instructions. Now let me start up my DAW, Reaper, instantiate PECS in a new track, and connect it to my external MIDI keyboard to play it interactively. Its initial preset sounds like this. PECS comes with a whole bunch of great preset sounds, and one of them caught my attention. It's preset number 4, called Space. This is on its own already a wonderful lush pad sound with a fifth on top that slowly fades in and out and should be played very legato. That's already a good starting point, but now as a next step, let's take yet another free VST plugin for a reverb effect, SuperMassive from Valhalla. Then let's choose the right reverb preset in it, and by right I mean one that creates a really massive reverb space. In this case it's under the Z Massive preset bank, and the preset is called Billions and Billions. And voila, we have instant space. Please note how the initial sound is washed away into a very diffuse stereo field after 1 or 2 seconds. Let's add a bit of bass and drum sounds to make the picture complete. Well, that's it already. To be completely honest, it doesn't really matter a lot what sounds you throw at SuperMassive. Almost everything will sound majestic and larger than life if you pump it through this plugin with a massive reverb preset. Find the links to the relevant tools and plugins in the description of this video and have a go with it yourself. Thanks go out to all developers who write free audio software, no matter whether it's Linux or Windows, whether open source or not, though I certainly prefer open source stuff. You folks make the world a better place because you are democratizing the creative process of sound and music making. Hear you later. Bye.